In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Google Slides presentation for collaboration. This process will empower you and your teammates to work seamlessly together, no matter where you are. So, let's dive in and walk through the steps to get your presentation ready for teamwork. First, you're going to want to open up your presentation on Google Slides. Ensure you have the slide deck you wish to work on with your colleagues open and ready. The sharing feature in Google Slides is a fantastic tool that enables real-time collaboration, making it easier than ever to prepare and refine presentations collectively. Once you've got your presentation open, take a glance at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the Share button. Go ahead and click on it to start the sharing process. Now, it's time to invite the people you want to collaborate with. A dialog box will pop up, allowing you to enter the email addresses of your team members or collaborators. Type in these addresses carefully, ensuring you've got the correct contact for each person. This stage is crucial as it gives your colleagues the access they need to contribute to your presentation. An important next step is to choose the permission level. Google Slides offers several options depending on how you want each person to interact with the presentation. Select Editor if you want someone to fully edit and make changes to the slides. If you prefer to receive feedback but want to retain control over edits, select Commenter. This setting allows individuals to leave remarks and suggestions without altering the content itself. And finally, if you simply want someone to review the presentation without any interaction, choose the Viewer option. This choice is ideal for presentations that are final and merely require a quick look over. Now, there's also an option to notify people you've shared the presentation with. If you check the Notify People box, a notification email will be sent to each person you've invited. This is a handy feature that ensures your collaborators are aware that they now have access to the slide deck. If everything looks good, go ahead and click the Send button. This will finalize the process of sending out the invites based on the preferences you've set. Another way to share is by generating a link. In the Share dialog, you'll see a section for general access. Here, you can set it to anyone with the link to allow people to access the file using just the link, without needing specific email invites. Once you've set this option, copy the link provided and share it with your collaborators. Whether through email or a messaging app, this link will grant access based on the permissions you've selected. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your presentation for collaboration using Google Slides. Now you can work together efficiently and create a seamless, impactful presentation. Thanks for watching.